everyone, welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Shashikala-tai calls Get Well Soon press conference a media stunt. Other leaders of the BBSM put onus on Tai, may meet CM soon, says Shashikala. We will give you names if you are not getting one, activists tell government on Lokayukta issue. Doubt intention of the government to appoint Lokayukta. Griha Aadhaar scheme to be launched on 4th January. Department receives more than 28,000 applications, 7,703 applications sanctioned. Congress files disqualification petition against Aldona MLA Glenn Tiklo in Portuguese nationality case. Experts feel EC's opinion crucial now. And I-League football action set to return to Vasco's Tilak Stadium in February. And now the news in detail. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch convener Shashikala-tai has termed the media briefing by Get Well Soon group a media stunt. She claimed that none of the youth spoke to her before approaching the media. Interestingly, rest of the BBSM leaders have restrained themselves from reacting on the issue, putting all the onus on Shashikala-tai.
This reaction of Shashikala-tai might anger the youth of Get Well Soon group. Tai has called their outburst and media briefing a media stunt.
हे म्हणजे हास्यास्पद आम्ही तांकां वापरून घेतले म्हणटा ते आनी आमी कितें ताका हांवें तरी अजिबात कोणाक सांगूं ना तुमी हें काम करा तुमची आमकां मदत जाय अजिबात सांगूं ना कोणाक ताणें सांगचें म्हणून ताणें आमी तरी वापर केला आनी म्हाका दिसना आमी आमचे सुरक्षा मंचान वापर ताजो केला म्हणटा तांचो आतां ताणें अशी प्रेसाची दिवचे ऐवजी ताणें म्हाका कित्याक फोन करून विचारूं ना अजून कांयच जावं ना तुमी कांय करूं ना म्हणजे केन्ना करतले मिटींग जावं ना अशें विचारून जातालो न्ही पूण ही प्रसिद्धी करता ताणें केला हो स्टंट काय कितें तें हांव नकळो तांकां स्वताक प्रसिद्धी तांकां हें मेळपा जर केला जाल्यार अकस्मात तांकां याद जाली आनी तांचे वडील सगळे तांचे लोक तांकां लागींचे लोक तांचे आसा की ते घटकूच आसा की ना पूण तांकां ताणें कित्याक विचारूं ना तांचे पैकी म्हाजे कडेन कोणेच उलोवं ना
ते म्हणटा आतां BBSM ओगी कित्याक आसा म्हणून
न्ही तुका सांगलें न्ही आतां जवळ जालें न्ही की आमचे वेगळ्या कारणाक लागून ते मेळूं आमी म्हणून
कितें फुडलें कितें प्लॅन
आतां तांकां हांवें सांगतालो तांकां न्ही हांव मेळुया म्हणून
आतां BBSM बसल्या उपरांत रोखडेच मुख्यमंत्र्याची भेट घेतले ह्या विशयाची
ते मागीर तांकां विचारतालो न्ही पूण हांवें ठरलां तांचे तें जर ना हांव स्वता तांकां मेळपाचें आसा.
Interestingly, rest of the BBSM members have refused to comment on the issue. This is what they said when Prudent contacted them. Didn't get chance to speak to them, says Pundulik Naik. Shashikala-tai or Subhash Velinkar will speak, says Uday Bembre. Shashikala-tai will speak, says Subhash Velinkar. The Garane star of Get Well Soon and BJP MLA Vishnu Wagh has also restrained himself from commenting on the issue. I haven't read newspapers today. I will speak to the government, says Vishnu Wagh. Primary education should be in mother tongue. Government needs to create suitable environment to go ahead with its policy of mother tongue. Government cannot remain dormant on this issue anymore, says Ratnakar Lele. One thing is clear, the all-attacking BBSM leaders are now on a back foot and the entire leadership of the movement has gone into a measured role. Our senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
The appointment of state Lokayukta is still pending after 100+ days. BJP claims that no retired judge is ready to accept the post. Social activists in Goa have given Parrikar a simple solution. Ask for a suitable name and you shall get it. Satish Sonak has asked Parrikar to write to Anna Hazare to recommend good names as Lokayukta, whereas Iris Rodriguez says that Parrikar is only bluffing Goans. However, Chairman of Law Commission Narendra Sawikar says that government need not write to ultra-constitutional authorities.
The long wait of appointing a Lokayukta in Goa seems to be unending. Activists claim Chief Minister Parikar's assurance of appointing a Lokayukta within 100 days of getting elected is nothing but a bluff. RTI activist Iris claims that CM is afraid of government's corruption getting exposed.
Number of cases will be filed against this government for its acts of corruption and maladministration. I myself have a couple of complaints already ready to be filed against Manohar Parrikar for his acts of maladministration.
He has some suggestions for the CM.
All that the Chief Minister has to do is to write to the Chief Justice of India and maybe the Chief Justices of neighbouring courts.
Satish Sonak says CM should write to Anna Hazare or Justice Hegde to recommend retired judges for the post of Lokayukta.
I wish the Chief Minister will write to Anna Hazare or to Justice Hegde to nominate some good person for Lokayukta. If the Chief Minister does that, I promise that within 24 hours we will give names to the Chief Minister.
Government is open for suggestions from anybody. Okay. For that reason, we need not write it to Justice Hegde. Okay. Government has already made it public that anybody, if he has got any names to suggest, let them suggest. Okay. This is a question of appointment of a judge. Right. Okay, Lokayukta. Right. Lokayukta who will be functioning as a judge. There are some people who have said, okay, chalo, they're ready to. In fact, that is what we feel, that they're ready to accept it. If that is the case, then the process will start. I can't give you the time frame within which they will be appointed, because that's the due process which is required to be followed.
Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.